Big Texan. Ate here, stayed here, and swam here. Pretty cool. They got a large Texas-shaped swimming pool. Opened at 10:30 at night, but they decided they did not want to turn on the lights. But we still swam in the dark in Texas at the Big Texan in a Texas-shaped pool. Now staying here was pretty comfortable. Small room. Every room's a different theme, I guess. It's pretty nice. Free internet. Just yeah, comfortable beds. Just that highway right there. I mean, it's right off 40. You got a room right here, and that's a laundromat, ice maker, vending up in here. It was a little cleaner when we got here, but it's nice. They got the Roku TV, so it comes with everything. Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, DirecTV. There's a little itty bitty bathroom and shower in there.